Most automatic vehicles won't shift out of park or start unless the brake light switch is working properly. This small switch is located near the brake pedal and does three important things. 1. Turns on your brake lights. 2. Tells the ECU you're pressing the brake. 3. Allow you to shift out of park. If it fails, you might notice car stuck in park, no brake lights, push start not responding, cruise control not working. It's a small part, but when it fails, it feels like a major problem before you buy a new battery or starter. Check the brake switch first.